Hope's Perfect Countertop. So it comes nicely sealed so it don't drip out during your shipment. Just take this off, throw it out, and you got it, a microfiber towel. So now we, did everything all clean and smooth and follow the instructions. Turn the thing and just spray. Put on a nice amount. Let it sit. Close it up. Wipe the tip. And we're going to now buff it. We'll buff it in a few seconds. We're going to fold the cloth and fold it again. That's it. Start at one end. Make sure you get the edges and work it in. You're not going to see the shine now, but you'll see it soon. I brought you close to the table so you can see me wiping it on. So I'm going to do this half and then the other half. And then I'm going to use a restorer that's coming in and polishing it in. Oh, this stuff does a great job. If you need to do another layer, another spray, be my guest. Once every couple of months, and you'll have a nice, wonderful table, real shiny indeed.